Okay, I just got home and put on Chicago PD.
The world doesn't work like that.
Chicago PD, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So first we have hold on. It's not freaking. Okay, first we have these. They're so cute. They're adorable. Okay. Then we have, this is gonna be a good freaking like 2-part video or something. We have these. Low-key, I kind of got ripped off though. But then again, what's new with Amazon? And then I got these ones. These ones are so pretty. And then, okay. So we have these ones. These ones are so pretty. Okay. Go to part 2 to see this unboxing.